At APIC 2018, Contec was on location in Minneapolis to raise awareness and improve best practices in environmental service issues. We talked with IPs about a broken laundry process and the associated infection risks.
Hospitals typically use microfiber mops that they clean by putting them through the laundry, but this study showed that even after they were washed, 58% of laundered mops still had harmful levels of bacteria and organisms on them, bacteria like C. diff and MRSA that are trapped in the fibers.
Our conclusion is that floors would be a lot cleaner if the cleaning staff was supplied with disposable microfiber on a regular basis.
We heard numerous stories about ineffective practices and simple changes that can make a difference.
When does somebody decide, when am I going to throw away a mop, okay, and get a new one?
Contec is all about listening to the challenges our customers face and creating solutions to those challenges. So we also asked IPs at the show to share their confessions, real stories of real-life challenges that need a better solution. Here are a few stories shared with us at the show.
It's the little things that kill patients. It's the little places that contain the organisms that you don't see, you can't see it, and you'll never know that you killed that patient. Seeing hair, lens particles left on the mop after it's been gone through laundry and then being brought up into the patient care area for care is kind of gross. I wouldn't put my own family on our hospital limits. Definitely not. It makes you hope that you are never a person that ends up needing that type of care where that's used. It makes me feel like we're wiping the dirt around the facility, or we're getting more back, because who knows what comes back on there. I would hope that we could make a change so that we can appear more professional. We can make sure that we're providing our patients a better environment and decreasing that risk of transmission of microorganisms. Most people think that if you wash it and dry it, it's clean. They don't take into consideration what the infection preventionist looks at.
The resources we brought to the show, like our survey results, poster, videos, and more, can be found online at contecclean.com, where you also can share your own confession. Stay tuned for more useful data and ways you can influence meaningful decisions in your facility.